आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित्. Being extremely hard to understand, the Lord described the nature of the soul in the above verses in diverse ways in order to make Arjuna understand the truth about it. Now, in the next verse, he shows the difficulty and the marvelous nature of perception, description, and hearing of that truth. Scarcely someone perceives this soul as marvelous. Scarce another likewise speaks thereof as marvelous, and scarce another hears of it as marvelous, while there are some who know it not even on hearing of it. Ascharyavat, as marvelous, pashyati, perceives, kaschit, scarcely someone. Enam, this soul. Ascharyavat, as marvelous, vadati, speaks, tatha, so, eva, even, cha anyaha, and another. Ascharyavat, as marvelous, cha enam, and this soul, anyaha, another, shrunoti, hears. Shrutva api, on hearing also, enam, this soul, Veda, no, na cha, eva, not, and indeed, kaschit, some. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschidenam, it is kaschit enam, the ta becomes the, so kaschidenam. Ascharyavat vadati, the it again becomes the. So, ascharyavad vadati tathaiva, tha mahaprana, cha anyaha becomes chanyaha, then ascharyavat cha enam anyaha becomes ascharyavatcha. The it became the in previous place, here the it becomes ich. So, ascharyavatchainam. Okay, and anyaha. So, ascharyavatchainamanyah shrunoti. Sh behind, so that visargam becomes ish. Shrutvapienam. So, shrutvapienam becomes shrutvapienam. Vedana. Cha eva becomes chaiva. Kaschit.